Alright, we're back again, Brad and Mark's RC Garage, and we have a CNC machine polished prop on the Spartan now from RC Boat Bitz. So we'll see how she performs. Big rooster tail straight off at half throttle. Watch out, birds. It's pretty smooth. Seems to hold its plane pretty good. Ooh, tail flick. Much better, much better. Half throttle, just beautiful.
Sitting nice and flat.
It is, yeah. It's really good, isn't it? Well, I'm impressed. Very, very good upgrade that. Bit of a tail flick. I like getting it close and opening it up. That was full throttle. We're running two 3S 5000 45C graphines in this today. Really punchy. Nice. It is, isn't it?
It's not porpoising a lot like it was.
No, that's right. And it gets on the plane a lot quicker, a lot faster. Even when you're coming on and off, you know, it doesn't sort of bog down, I suppose. See? Very nice. All right. Actually on the other side of the lake now. Just for no reason at all, really. It's going to get another little bit of a run and then bring it in and check these temps. Switch out for those birds. Yeah, the acceleration it feels so much smoother, I find. Yeah, much smoother, not as aggressive. I believe we're just about at LVC, so we'll give her one last squirt and then bring her in. Motor is literally cold to the touch. ESC caps barely warm. Battery wires good. Batteries good. And that is an Australian thermometer. Anyway, thanks everyone for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.